Today we're going to 386 AD, KD in Comagene, Sumela, before it becomes legend.
If the story is real, the first cells are being cut straight into that rock.
No interference, no contact. Just the truth, Neen, seen with my own eyes.
Pontic Mountains, year 386. Initiating a silent insertion.
You can feel the centuries nully, like pressure in the air.
This is the Black Sea Highlands.
They're Tcheo, people on the cliff. Sumela is alive and unfinished.
No grand monastery yet, Sribine. Just raw stone, rope, and faith.
This is architecture made by muscle.
One step wrong, and it's over.
They built devotion into danger. Minimal shelter. Maximum discipline. Heating is minimal, just enough fire to stay alive.
Each winter leaves its signature in soot.
They turned the mountain itself into plumbing.
Every drop here is earned.
Someone's close. Stay invisible. Logistics of faith when tried. Simple, constant, necessary.
Every strike reshapes the cliff.
Food as fuel. Nothing more.
Every meal is measured. Storage here is simple and effective.
Light is rationed like food.
Cleanliness pay without comfort.
Cold replaces luxury. Routine creates order here.
Cleaning becomes ritual.
Just enough space for a body. That sound buyer, liturgy. Liturgy. Everything shifts now. Quiet steps. Quiet breath.
Stone becomes sacred.
Hands that carve also pray. Sound stays trapped in stone. Small. Unnoticed.
Someone's coming.
Hold your breath.
– 」 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 。 . 。 . 。 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . . 。 . . 。 . . . 。 . .
Exit. . . 。 . . . . . Now.
This path is barely human.
Distance is safety.
Eight seconds.
Open.
Sumela Poing 386. I saw you breathe.
Let the candle survive.
I'm back. Real wax. Real time. Hands from 386 tail, right here. History is people. Next time, we go deeper. But not today.
End log. Markus Veyra.